Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, you are welcome. To all my subscribers, my lovely subscribers, I appreciate you guys a lot for always returning to watch my videos. So today I want to unbox with you guys. I got some goodies and I want to show to you. These are the stuffs I got recently, so do not go away. Stay put and watch this video till the end because you're going to be liking my new finds, my new kitchen ads. So let's unbox together and see how it is, and I would love to hear your take on this. Comment below, like and share. What do you think about my new kitchen ads? Let's know in the comments. Okay, thank you once again for joining. Let's go. So on this day I was in the supermarket. It wasn't actually my plan, to get the stuff, but it just bumped into me. I saw it and the price was reduced. You know, the real price was 95 euro. At that time I saw it, it was going for 45 euros. So I had to get it. And its Kenwood product is so nice. I love the package. It has a blender you can use for smoothie, and you can also use it to make your dough when you want to bake bread or make snacks. So I love it because it can do so many things. It can also shred vegetables, all kinds of vegetables. You can use it, to achieve it. It's a lovely product I love, and I'm happy that I found it. That is, kitchen gadget will just finish my money. Me and kitchen gadgets, we are just 5 and 6. When I see kitchen gadgets and it's beautiful, my hand will just be scratching me to go for it. I just can't pass it by, especially if it's the one that I love. So like I said earlier, you can use this for different things. It comes with different blades for different purposes. It has the blade you can use to mix your dough. It has the blade you can use to shred your vegetables. It's just so nice. It's nice, and the quality is very good. So this one here, I got it from the TikTok shop. Is a chafing dish. The price of this will really shock you. I got it in less than 60 euro. In case you would like it, I will leave the link in my description so you can go get it for yourself if you have been looking for something like this. It came with 8 bowls with covers and the heating bowl that you put under to keep the food warm. I am really excited about this buy. It will really help a lot. When you have guests or you have an event, myself, I do a lot of cooking. This will really help, to package the food nicely. It helps to keep the food warm until you are done with the event. This here is a mini table with a flat top. I actually got it for photo shoot, to take pictures for products. I do a lot of affiliate marketing, so I will be using this to take photo shot, to do some short clips and short videos. It came in parts like this, so I have to fix it myself. Buying furniture here in Germany, that is how it always come. It comes like this, and you would have to fix it, couple it by yourself. Though it's very easy, to couple it. The way they make it in such a way that you'll be able to couple it yourself. Unbox. Let's check it out together and see how it is. It's supposed to be like a pillow where you can weight yourself in case you want to sit on the bed to read. You put it on the bed behind you to weight your back for you to balance well when reading, or doing something. Maybe you don't want to sleep at the moment, you just want to relax. You just use this to weight yourself on the bed. So that is what it does. See it here. You like this, but from the look out of things, this is smaller compared to what I saw in the picture. In the picture it looks big, but looking at it here, it looks smaller. I'm going to show you guys the picture, how it is in the picture compared to what I have here. But this is just what it is. So is it from Temu, but the quality is good. Quality is very good. It's very good. Let me see. I love the quality. It's very nice. Oh, this one is like a baby size. Well, let me see. You see, this is where your head will rest, your back will rest here, and this will be on your waist. It will just support you like this when sitting on the bed. Yeah, like so. So let's try it. Let's assume this is my bed. I want to sit on the bed to read or do something or relax. So let's see how it goes. So let's see how it goes. You put it like this on your bed, like this. Well, I don't know. It's good. It's comfortable. Yeah, it's comfortable. It relaxes the back very well. It relaxes the back very well. But to me, it's just like it's smaller than what it is in the picture. But for comfortability, it's good. I give it 80%. 80%. 80%. At least you can relax like this and be reading your book or be eating or doing whatever you want to do at the bed before you fall asleep. So that's it.